Your passions, your hobbies, your experiences define who you are. And you shouldn't have to sacrifice fully living, ever. Onagofly, the world's first smart nano drone, helps you capture, share, and experience the most meaningful and exciting moments of your life. Toss Onagofly into the air and instantly be ready to film, throw, and fly. It's that easy. Onagofly's auto-follow feature locks onto you and follows you around. You're free to live the experience. With P2P live streaming function, share your Onagofly video live to other mobile devices. Onagofly is highly portable and takes off from the hand with no hassle. You can hover your drone at a particular distance or manually control its flight path. Users of all ages and experience levels can navigate Onagofly effortlessly, both indoors and outdoors. Use smile detection to automatically take the images you want when you want, and share the moment right away to your favorite social media. Play with Onagofly just like playing video games with the tilt control mode. It's designed to capture you from the best angle. With a cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, Onagofly will automatically detect anything in its path and seamlessly shift direction to escape contact. Its brushless DC electric motor gives Onagofly the longevity of 5,000 hours at only 140 grams. The specs pack a punch. GPS module enables auto-follow technology. Wi-Fi module allows for connection with smart devices. Infrared obstacle avoidance senses 360 degrees. Lastly, 15 megapixels camera captures awesome photos. With Onagofly, you can share your whole world from the palm of your hand.
I always wanted to fly with birds. When I was a kid, my family fulfilled this dream. My daddy and my granddaddy, they created the first mechanical bird. It was not a plane, it was a wing flapping machine. Today, my dream is to create the bionic bird for the 21st century. It will be connected. It's a flying app. Here is Bionic bird. This is a prototype. The egg is a portable charger. You can charge a bird in less than 12 minutes. Bionic bird is only 8.5 grams. It has an electric motor of 0.8 watt, a rotation speed of 55,000 RPM, an aluminum sink, and a lithium polymer battery. It also has a great design inspired by nature. Plus, it can fly as high as 100 yards. Finally, I have my flying app. When you're lucky, the real bird comes to play with you. I'm a dreamer. I'm not a big company, and I want to share my dream with you.
Hi, I'm JD, lead designer of the X+1.
And I'm Charles, and I've been working with JD on this project.
Ever since I was about 6 years old, I've had a passion for aviation. And I turned that passion into a career, and I became an aerospace engineer. I love the technology around drones, and I've been involved with it. And as I've done that, I've really seen a need that's not being addressed.
When JD first introduced the X+1 to me, I was floored. Not only have I not ever seen anything like this on Kickstarter, I've never seen anything like this from just a third-party company. The X+1 incorporates two key elements that any drone would love to have: vertical takeoff and landing, and fast forward efficient flight.
Charles is right. When I first had the idea, I couldn't believe that nobody else had done it before. It's really a simple idea. It's a quadcopter combined with a flying wing. The quadcopter gives you the ability for precision takeoff and landing and hover, and the flying wing gives you the capability for efficient forward flight. The difference between the X+1 and all other quadcopters or multirotors that are out there is that we use aerodynamics in order to support the weight of the craft, thereby giving you greater efficiency.
So we've got a variety of different packages. We've got the first package, which is more of a DIY package. It incorporates the core frame, and you bring the electronics, the battery, and the motor. We've got a fully functional end-to-end product, and we've even got a plus version, which allows you to have an embedded gimbal as well as a GoPro that's included in the package. So whether you're a DIYer or you want an end-to-end solution, we've got a package for you.
So in order to make this all happen, we need you. We need to raise $50,000 on Kickstarter in order to get these amazing drones into your hands.
So come join us, be a part of this revolution, get your own X+1, and back us for the $50,000. We're excited to have you involved.
Flying on a paper airplane must be so magical. With your help, magical is about to become unfreaking believable. This is Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He is a world-known expert in cool stuff that flies. 2 years ago, Shai was challenged by his friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Thanks to 21,000 backers on Kickstarter, he made it happen. People all over the world are now controlling paper planes from their smartphones with PowerUp 3. Shai proudly came back to his friend, and his friend said, "Wow, that is magical. But you can't put a live streaming camera on a paper airplane." Shai thought for a minute and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after 2 years of testing and prototyping, meet Shai's new unfreaking believable invention. PowerUp FPV. The first ever paper airplane drone with a live streaming camera. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp FPV lets you see what your plane sees. To put it in different words, you feel as if you are flying through the air, riding a paper airplane. Yes, PowerUp FPV makes your regular paper plane look like a kitty next to a lion, riding a T-Rex. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, and attach the module. Put your phone in the cardboard viewer, and you're ready to fly. The camera streams live video to an app on your very own smartphone sitting in the head-mounted goggles. To control your plane, just tilt your head lightly. And there's also a gamepad mode for when you feel like handheld control. PowerUp FPV's camera can swivel around. That's how you also get wing view and back view, so you can see this defining moment in your life. Look, it's you flying a PowerUp FPV. Shai wanted to create the most immersive real-time experience. That's why he partnered with the good folks at Parrot, world experts in wireless streaming and creators of the AR drone. With their help, PowerUp FPV streams live video over Wi-Fi from over 300 feet. To make the experience really smooth, PowerUp FPV has a ton of sensors and an onboard computer with real-world autopilot mode, making it nearly uncrashable. Nearly. PowerUp FPV is ready for production. So if you love flying and want to ride a paper airplane, back PowerUp FPV and help make what was once magical unfreaking believable.
We're the creators of Airdog, the world's first auto-flow action sports drone. This aerial camera gives sports performers the solution they've been needing. Incredible footage with unbelievable ease and accuracy.
Hi, I'm Edgar. I'm going to show you something that changes how action sports enthusiasts capture the most epic moments.
We're a group of innovators who are passionate about action sports. We use GoPro cameras to capture our own sports action. Until now, you needed somebody to follow you around and to film you, but the performance never looked as good as it actually felt. That's about to change. Action sports deserve the explosive power of mind-blowing action shots, aerial perspective, and super smooth flow motion.
We're ready to show the world what it's all about. Check this!
Airdog is a quadcopter that automatically follows the rider and captures the action using a GoPro camera. Airdog flies and follows, making sure that your every move is perfectly captured.
Airdog follows the rider by tracking the air leash. Air leash sends control commands and tracking signal to the drone.
Why confine yourself to stationary videos or a ground level perspective? The Airdog takes things to a whole new level. It's a totally hassle-free way to get unreal footage. You don't need remote control skills. You don't need to operate the drone. You just need to concentrate on your best performance. Airdog does the rest. Put the air leash on your wrist or helmet, turn the Airdog and remote on, press takeoff, and you're done. Let the games begin. Airdog is now in action. You can make any necessary altitude adjustments or set the distance and angle, and you're good to go. More advanced features like track or lap recording or specific flight modes can be configured or uploaded from a smartphone app. It doesn't matter what I'm doing, skating, surfing, snowboarding, or even filming my indie movie. Airdog is right there. It's like my personal cameraman. You don't have to worry about framing the shots or getting the right angle. Airdog has a gyro-stabilized gimbal that will do everything for you. It's never been this easy to look this good on camera. Our engineers, developers, and designers have done everything to launch the production of the initial batch of Airdogs. We have it, we use it already, and now we need your help to launch this awesomeness into the world of action sports. This will change the way action sports are captured. You can be the first owners of the Airdog. Whatever your passion, Airdog is in the moment. Whether you're craving insane aerial shots or 30-mile-per-hour downhill speed motion, you simply can't get footage like this any other way. Airdog lets you show the world what you care about, how you kick ass, and what extreme sports are all about. We're looking for backers who share our passion, our enthusiasm, and our thirst for adventure.
So here it is, the Airdog. We have it, we use it, and we want it to become available for you. That's why we are on Kickstarter. With your support of Airdog, we'll achieve perfection and launch production. So the future of Airdog is now in your hands.